If you live near a new development that's moving in such as this, you will want to have a tree to block off the construction noises that you see here in this video. A great tree for that is called the green giant arborvitae. It grows fast, upwards to 3 feet a year, and it also has deer resistance and is resistant to snow load and ice load. So give us a call at Highland Hill Farm if you want some green giant arborvitaes to block out construction sites such as this.
Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your trees and shrubs. 215-651-8329. We ship from Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Lenore, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Thank you.